these tacos al pastor, they're to another level. Let me show you how to make them. You really have to try these tacos. What's up, people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Omar and this is Fuego y Sabor. Today we're gonna be making tacos al pastor. You guys been waiting for this recipe, so here we go. For this, we want to use, as always, chile guajillo. We can't forget about this because this is the one. This is the king for this recipe. Achiote. Cloves, cumin, pineapple, white vinegar, cooking wine, oregano. Just a simple ingredients, guys. It's just a simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. Maybe this you don't have, or this, but you can find them anywhere. First, we hydrate. That feels good. I'm gonna use 4 black pepper, cumin. I'm gonna use just 1 bay leaf, okay? Just 1 bay leaf, just so you know. We're gonna do this these two right here. I'm gonna make one. Just like this. We're gonna use a half of onion, okay? We're gonna use guajillos. For this guajillos. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a little bit of oil on this pan. I'm gonna put some oil here. Don't forget about our bay leaf. And then on this, that's where we're gonna put our all it takes is that much. That's how much we're gonna put in there. Look at that. It's turning out really good. Again, this is how I make it, not something that you have to do. If you want to follow this recipe, it'll be a lot easier. I'm going to leave it on the description, okay? But if you want to put something or you want to change something, it's totally up to you. This is how I do it. This is how I like it. What we're going to do with this, we're going to do the same thing we always do for this, but this time we're going to use only red tomatoes. And that's just to make our salsa. We want to put all this, and we want to put a serrano this time. We're going to put an onion in there. Half of onion will be fine. Look at this. This is looking really good. This here, we are going to use, just throw the whole can in there, okay? The whole can, that's fine. And our peppers are done. Let's see what we got. Okay, we're gonna put all that in here. Everything, we're gonna put it in there. Oh my goodness, look at those onions. Just like that, and then all this right here. Oh, and before I forget, we need one of this. We need a lime. Okay, we need a lime, just like this. Our vinegar, and what I use this, 1/4 cup. There you go, wine vinegar. I'm gonna put some black pepper. I'm gonna use this salt right here. You know what's funny though? It's been really nice these days, and today that I get to cook in here, it's freaking cold. I can't forget about the oregano. Don't put too much of it. We're gonna take this inside and we're gonna blend it really nice, okay? I'll be right back and oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. This is just perfect. You guys don't believe the flavor of this thing. Oh my God. This turned out really good. And it's something really easy that you can make at home. And by the way, I am gonna change these gloves. I'm gonna put some new ones in. We got some new ones. Just like this. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pour everything, all this, in there. Oh my God, the smell of it, guys. Look at that. And what we're gonna do is, I got brand new gloves. I'm just gonna stick my hands in there. And this is what we're gonna do. Okay? We want that. We want everything, all that marinade to get into the pork, the meat. Oh my goodness. And then we're just gonna let it set for like 4 hours probably. Okay? I think 4 hours will be plenty time. I'll tell you what, guys, once you make this, you won't be making your tacos any other way. I guarantee you're gonna love this. And there it is. We're just gonna let it set for a little bit, okay? I'll see you guys in a minute. Our peppers are almost done. That one is done. Look at this. This is a really nice toasted tomato. It gives it a really good flavor. You guys should try that. This one is done. This one is done. This one is done. Our molcajete salsa will be done in just a second. One thing we can do is get this ready. The one thing about this salsa is that it is quite a bit of work when you're trying to work all those peppers and everything. You gotta work them. So it's a little bit of work. And there's your molcajete salsa right there. Look at that, this is so good. We're back. Okay, this has been sitting in the fridge for 4 hours, guys. We're gonna start working with this now. And we got this stuff right here. And then we got this. And just so you know, just in case you didn't know, if you pull one of this and it comes off like that, that means this is done. And then it should look like this. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut slices off of it, okay? I'll put a piece of pineapple. And then we take our meat like this, okay? And then we just get it like this. Look at that, just like that. We put another piece of pineapple right there. I like to put a piece of onion like this. And we do this all over again. Just like that, just like this. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna repeat the same process. And we don't want it to get too big and start breaking apart. So what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna put it right on the grill. All right, these things are done. It should be done by now. Let's check. We're gonna check and see how this looks. Oh my God. Wow, look at that. Look at this. That's perfect. Let's warm up some tortillas. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this nice tortilla. Nice and warm. Let's try it out. Just like that. It's perfect. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh wow. Let's put that on a tortilla. Let's eat. Again, I got new gloves, okay? And I'm gonna put this right here, just like this. Oh my God, guys, look at this. Look at this. We put some of these onions, extra onions. We put some of this cilantro in here. We put some of this. Just like that. Just like that. Onions. Lime. Just like this. We put some salsa in there. Oh, guys, look at this. Look at these tacos. My mouth is already watering. Look at this. You really have to try these tacos. The sweetness and the spicy of the hot sauce and the pork and everything is coming right out. Oh my God, it's so perfect. I don't know what to tell you other than this is really good. And guess what? As always with these tacos, there's nothing better than a really nice dark beer. All right, guys, if you were wondering how to make a nice El Pastor tacos, this right here, this is the perfect recipe. This is how I like them. This is how I like to do it. And this turned out really good. So guys, thank you so much for being here with me today. Thank you so much for the lovely comments. Guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. But this is all I got for you. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.